Here we go.
I use, these are two of Olay's newest products. And this one's pure niacinamide. This one is the one I probably use more. It's the hyaluronic and niacinamide because, like I said, I'm really, really dehydrated. It's great for dehydrated skin, and it kind of gives you that glowy and dewy look. I first apply this, and then I apply the moisturizer. So the moisturizer, this is the Olay Regenerous Microscoping Cream for night. These two combined are like Olay's Power Duo. Yes, very well known, the red jar especially. So I use those in the morning and at night. Oh, yes.
We were just swapping notes on the Theragun.
Okay, let me see. So this is actually my husband. Oh no, it's charged. There you go.
Just the sound of it makes me feel relaxed.
It is so good. So this is really good.
Lifesaver.
Quite heavy, but it's good. Foundation at the moment, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way. I use two because of the colouring. One colour is like a little light and the other's a little dark, so I use two. Combine them. I've used that for a good 2-3 years. It works really well on my skin. Others, so like I like some cheaper products. And then some a little bit more expensive. So like expensive products would be something like this palette, this Tom Ford eye colour. So
what is that shade?
Let me see.
Sula Sable.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna even say that. So the colours I like are like kind of neutral browns, like
tawny.
This that I'm holding in my hand, which I think I got it at Chemist Warehouse. I don't even. It's quite cheap, but I love it. It's the Maybelline waterproof. Waterproof
Great
mascara.
Great lash mascara.
Dry shampoo. It's down here. So this is like. This is a good one for. This is for dark time. Moroccan oil, dry shampoo. I feel like we would just keep talking.
No, we're gonna like.
We've got to wrap it up.
No, they are really good tips, and thank you so much. Thanks for having us in your beautiful home. I can't wait to share this with you guys.
Thanks.